Welcome to the channel, welcome to the carport. I'm doing a quick tool review today. You'll see from the thumbnail, I bought myself a new piece of kit for the shed, which is a 1200mm aluminium clamp and cutting edge guide. Now, I must admit, I'm blaming Rob over at Weekend Shed Head for me getting this. If you want a really good YouTube channel for building stuff in a shed, go and have a look at his. He had this, he's showing you a couple of videos where he's using it to cut straight edges, and I've never seen one before. I've seen the big aluminium cutting cutting edges that you get for using a circular saw, which you put down and clamp down. Never seen one with a built-in clamp on it. So I was looking around on eBay. There's some on there, about 50 quid. Couldn't find the one he got, which was from Park Life at Lidl. No one was showing up. So I've been keeping an eye on eBay, and then this one turned up for 21 quid delivered. So I bought it, and I was very impressed because it was unbranded when I got it, and it's come through, and it's branded a Neilsen one, which I'm quite impressed with because I've got some Neilsen stuff already for working on the cars, and it's not bad gear, at all. So I'm going to take the package out. We're going to give it a go. I've got my Aldi Ferrex circular saw to give it a go with. I've got some big piece of plywood, with some scrap plywood, which is quite a good size, and we'll do some measurements and stuff. So let's change the camera over. I'll just do a quick overview of how it works, and then we'll give it a cut and give it a go. Just taking the wrapper off. It's a Neilsen CT5801 1200mm aluminium clamp and cutting edge guide. So it's straight edge clamping, so it helps with sort of straight and accurate cutting. Strong jaws with ABS grip, reduces damage to material. There's the jaw width, 3-position clam lock. Large capacity, suitable for boards and material 1.2. So 1.2 is pretty good because that's the standard size you get from B&Q. The back just says exactly the same. There's the image there showing how you use it. So just to give an idea, this is upside down. So that's the clamp which moves on this side, back and forward pretty easily. And then on this end, again, you've got this, and then this lifts up and locks it in place. So if I flip it over, I'll give you an example, just reposition the camera. So just to show the locking mechanism, this bit slides in, and this bit just locks down. So there it is, locked in place. Doesn't want to move. You want to unlock it, lift it up, lift it out, down again, locks in place. Gives you a nice straight square edge to both sides. Now this, as I said before, it's meant to take a standard sheet from B&Q. This is 1220mm sheet long, and there's room on these jaws to open up to about 1270. I've just measured it, so this will amply take anything from B&Q, for instance, or Builders Merchants if you need it. Right, I reckon we set up and we go and grab my circular saw, and then we give it a go. Just got a nice square edge just to show how square it is to the edge. There's no playing that at all. Go to the other edge. Again, nice and square. This is I cut this edge by hand with probably a jigsaw, so it's a little bit all over the place. So let's fire this up. Got some gloves on. Do a first cut on this edge here and see how easy it is to use. All right, then let's give this a quick go. Have a quick look. It's not far out. That's really good on this end. Oh, let's give it another go. I might just get some clamps to hold this though. Give me a second. try that again. Yeah, perfectly square. And yeah, perfectly square. So, Neilsen 1200mm cutting guide. Useful piece of kit, I think it's going to be, particularly because as part of the carport rebuild, I need a couple load of perspex sheets down to line the side. I think it's going to be perfect to get a nice even cut. Maybe not with this, maybe with the jigsaw to cut through the plastic sheets, okay. So this is going to come in really useful. And at 21 quid delivered, I can't really complain at that. And the fact that it's branded and not unbranded like the advert showed. I'm really happy with obviously with the quality of this. And again, I'm also happy that the fact that it's sold as taking 1200 sheets. This is way over that, so you could easily, if you were cutting a 1200 sheet, but you wanted to put some blocks on either end of it just to protect the edge of the wood, even though there's the rubber on the other end of it, you've still got 70 mil of additional capacity in that case to clamp up properly. But yeah, I'm really impressed with that. So yeah, thanks Rob for that, making me spend some more money on cheap tools. But glad I've got it. Oh, and the best thing, it's got a little thing to hang it up because it's a big piece of kit, this. So I'll have to find somewhere to hang it up and keep it safe. Great, this one, thanks for watching. And there'll be more videos soon. Cheers.